Yay! Mikey's playing in the rain today! Woo! Mikey, are you having fun? He's shielding himself from Captain America's shield! Yay! We got that from Target's Halloween 2016 collection. He's having fun! Woo! Oh, he's got the Ninja Turtle show. We got that from the Dollar Tree. Yay! It's good to get a couple costume items from Dollar Tree so that way they can play with those and not their costumes. Because he also has the Leonardo costume from Walmart. But this one he can play with to save his other costume for Halloween time. Whoa, that looks like so much fun. Whoa. Look at this little ants crawling around here. And back to Mikey. Woo! Mike! He having fun in the rain. And his turtle shell. Oh, now he's using his turtle shell to shield himself. Yay! Mikey's little friends are home. Oh boy, he's all soaking wet. Look how wet he is. Very smart. Looks like the rain has slowed down a lot now. Here in beautiful Sarasota, Florida. Woo! Oh. Whoa! Look at Captain America! Whoa! 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 Oh! Oh! Mike! You got her! Don't do that! Say sorry, Bubba! Jeez. Okay, Mikey, got that girl's umbrella there. Be careful around her, silly Millie Ganilly. Whoa! Glitter Force? That's a new cartoon Mikey's watching right now. Glitter Force. really far, Mikey. You're such a great superhero.
I got this big shoe.
You do. Say hi, look. It's Yachty, Emil's daddy. Hello. Whoa, look how far you threw that one. Crazy. Whoa! You're such an awesome superhero. Woo! Wow! Captain America. Oh yeah. And Ninja Turtles. In the same costume. Half Ninja Turtle, half American Captain America. Half Ninja Turtle, half American. Oh my gosh, can't say it.
Ninja, go. Ninja, go. Ninja, go, go, go.
Oh, I like that song.
Yeah,
That's one of the original Turtles.
Yeah, Ninja Turtle.
Yay!
How to be like this?
Whoa! You're a superhero. Wow! Look how far that one went. Go ninja, go ninja, go ninja, go ninja, go ninja, go ninja. Oh yeah, go ninja, go ninja. Whoa, look how far that one went, Mike. That was awesome. Yay. Whoa. Whoa! Whoa! Alrighty, that is all for this video. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content from Mikey's World. Yay! Say bye, YouTube! Yep. Yep, press the button on the left-hand corner, the little red button that says subscribe to watch more of our videos. Thank you for watching.